Next up is Mr. Alizan.
Mr. Aliza.
Miss Fatiha Shokat.
आगे बढ़े आगे।
Next up is Mr. Abdul Qadir. Next is Mr. Hassan. Next up is Mr. Talal. Next one is Miss Umaira.
उमेशा।
Umessa. Miss Soha Snaullah. Next one is Miss Javeria. Next one is Miss Maliha. Next one is Miss Khatija.
Now I would like to call Mr. Ibrahim. Miss Kamal. Miss Kamal. Sir.
And Miss Saira.
Miss Saira. Sir, you don't know. Exam. And the last one, Miss Amina. Now, I would like to call our honorable chief guest. She's on the stage, Miss Kuratulan, to come forward and honor us by receiving her shield, a little token of appreciation and a memorabilia for remembering this gracious moment she has created for us. I want all you to stand up now and give a huge round of applause to Miss Kuratulan.
Apart from formal setting, anytime you need any support, आपके teachers, आपके management के पास मेरा contact detail है. Anytime when you started, when you start a business, anything, so we are always there for you. You are really the future of Pakistan. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई आज आप लोग को देख के multiple performances जो आपने की, and I wish you a lot of success. These things shows that how you have grown up, how you are ready for the challenges. So ज़िंदगी में enjoy भी करें, अच्छा सा खाएं पिए भी, मगर बहुत तवज्जो से अपनी पढ़ाई भी करें. To make your parents, to make your institution, to make your country proud. Wish you very good.
ये रहते हैं कि अगर हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये कहते हैं कि परफॉर्मेंस का विजिट करने के लिए so we will catch up with you and make some plans.
Whenever you wanted to visit, we will invite you in groups or maybe up to हमारी different activities होती रहती. I will send invite to your institution and then you can come and participate. और जब भी आप लोग आना चाहेंगे तो we will host. No problem.
Must be having some questions. if you allow and if you have time. So can they ask?
हाँ, कोई मसला नहीं।
अच्छा बच्चों, is there any question from your side if you want to ask to ma'am? Wait.
She has to face many challenges to get into the sector. So how do you
So I answer one by one. Yes, this is a question.
Ma'am, should I arrange a chair for you?
No,
Should I-
not at all. It's absolutely. So Vijay, of course, the journey of any person cannot be alone. It comprises of the support of everybody. As he said in his presentation, okay, your mother, your wife, your daughter. So as for us, it's like your father is the first one who supports you from the home, who gives you the space to learn and to become something who you are. And then you got married, then you need the support from your husband. And then when you become mothers, then you need the support from your children. So without all these support systems, we cannot move further. Because in our life, we pass through different challenges. As I told you that every day there is a new challenge. If you are a very renowned business or a very renowned person, still you are facing lot of challenges, which maybe a startup is not facing, but you are facing it. और जब खवातीन होती हैं पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा अनपेड वर्क औरतें करती हैं। यही घरों का काम जो है वो पूरी दुनिया में औरतों से एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है। अगर वो अच्छी एंटरप्रेन्योर है तो उसके घर पे जो मेहमान आते हैं वो ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि उसको खाना भी अच्छा मिले, चाय भी अच्छी मिले, उसके बच्चे भी अच्छे कपड़ों में साफ सुथरे बैठे हुए हों। सो ये एक पूरी दुनिया में चैलेंज है। बट अल्लाह हैज़ क्रिएटेड women with different power. As Maulana Rumi said, that woman is not a creature, she is a creator. So Allah has blessed him with certain salient features, additional patience through which she survives. But support system is very important. और जो एक चीज़ हमेशा मुझे एनर्जी देती है इस सारे सपोर्ट सिस्टम और रिलेशनशिप के साथ, वो जो मेरा अल्लाह से ताल्लुक है ना, जो मैं बात उससे कर लेती हूँ हर रोज़ जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, कोई टेंशन आती है, कोई स्ट्रेस आता है, सो इट कीप्स मी फीलिंग अप। क्योंकि अल्लाह को बुलाने के लिए आपको किसी जगह जाना नहीं है। वो काबा तो एक मतलब एक आप समझें कि वो प्लेस है कि जैसे एक निशानी के तौर पे दिया गया, बट यू कैन कॉल अल्लाह एनीवेयर, while standing here, while sitting over there, while driving the car, while cooking, you can call him inside your heart. So he is the basic, motivational, strongest ever force which keep you running. So that's the important thing, which keeps me steady and moving and doing it. I hope I have
First of all, I think as students, it's honor for me that today standing in front of Minister of the Land. Actually, I watched a lot of the interviews and programs in which you have shared the states and business areas, and especially you shared the and I think for a wake up voice for females. I think it's a good thing and good role model for females today, especially in our city, Hyderabad. But I know I have a lot of questions in my mind that I want to ask, but limited time. So my question is that actually the students that here also me belong to the rural areas where the parents do not allow the young adults and females for higher education to go for the study in outside. Basically, they consider that today our society, especially our modern era, is not suitable for women. And they understand that today they face a lot of challenges like harassment, abuse, inequality, and gender-based violence. And I think the parent concern is valid because we have seen a lot of incidents in Pakistan, like Islamia University of Balfour and such incidents. That's the basic concern. That main reason that in our Pakistan around about 12 million girls females do not education.
Question is, the females have been deprived in the rural areas and they have to face a lot of harassment in the working place. So that's up to you. Please have a
So
seat.
how we can convince the parents that they allow their daughters and females can take a part in our countries and lot of fields like basic medical fields and also business fields. How we can convince the parents that allow their daughters and females in a lot of fields?
I understand your question. The thing is that if you look upon all the dynamics of different worlds, harassment cases are reported everywhere, even in the developed countries. So you have to make the mechanism in a way that if somebody is trying to harass somebody, that must be reported well. In Pakistan, they have devised the system through Wafaki Muntasib, the ombudsperson. So anybody who is feeling harassed can report about that thing to them in Wafaki Muntasib. And also in industry and in different places, there are harassment centers who are working, or harassment cells are working there to support the parents. How to convince the parents? It's about, it's an individual responsibility. We have to brought up our kids, our girls, more motivated, more open, and we have to make them more strong to report any kind of harassment or violence without any fear to the concerned. So this has to start from the home. We have to make them courageous. We have to make them strong. Because, you know, even in the developed countries, when we look upon America or Canada, they have controlled their medias very well. But still, the harassment, thefts, many incidents are happening in very developed countries. So, how we can improve is by making our youngsters more strong, more thoughtful, and making the systems and policies to work properly. So if somebody faces any kind of problem, they must be supported well. Because in many cases, when something like this happens, we started judging people. We started making our arguments. We are not in a state of supporting people. We are in a state of criticizing them. And this criticism leads people to keep quiet and not justice to be happening. So everybody has to take responsibility. It's a shared responsibility, all of us, and to support.
Yes.
My question will not be about gender equality because I think such a deep-rated issue is not going to be solved. Ma'am said that your institute has the lowering of rates, but ma'am, with the recent trend for going on, how Pakistan is like a struggling economic condition, keeping these rates lower? Like the rates are higher all over the world, but how come Pakistan is keeping these rates lower with all the IMF support and whatever?
So are you asking about the electricity price?
Yes, ma'am.
So actually, it's not about that Pakistan is trying to keep the prices low because of IMF. There were some loopholes in the Pakistani system because of IPPs. So what we have done with the previous governments, we have some IPP contracts in which we are paying to them